Good evening and thanks for tuning in for News Channel 5 at 6. I'm Dale Hoffman.
Good evening. I'm Diana Raphael.
Up top tonight, local media were staked out around the Rapides Parish Courthouse this morning, waiting to get a glimpse of the woman who back in 2002 was indicted for killing her 3 children by setting her home in Tioga on fire. She was never tried for that particular crime.
Amanda Gutweiler-Hypes is now 37 years old. She's been living in West Virginia for the past few years, and she's remarried. But this is a case that prosecutors don't want to see disappear, so they filed new charges this week. News Channel 5's Mike Magnoli explains in tonight's top story.
We'll follow you guys.
Amanda Gutweiler-Hypes, moments after turning herself in to RPSO. Earlier this week, prosecutors filed new charges, 3 counts of cruelty to juveniles. Her 3 children died in a 2001 house fire in Tioga, and RPSO investigators suspected it was arson. She was charged with first-degree murder. Those charges didn't stick, though, because of what happened during the grand jury hearings. The short version of the courtroom drama: the Amanda Gutweiler-Hypes case has been a battle of lawyers and motions and entanglements that's been playing out over the course of the past 7 years. Alexandria attorney Mike Small was granted a change of venue for the trial, so a St. Tammany Parish grand jury will soon consider the new charges. And this, what you're looking at right now, is the first video we've seen of Amanda Gutweiler-Hypes in 7 years.
Do you think that this is an indication that the prosecution's case is kind of unraveling, that they had to come up with these charges of cruelty to a juvenile? Does that tell you, as a defense attorney, that they're kind of running out of steam?
Well, it certainly suggests that. There's no doubt about that. And I don't want to say that I don't want to be critical at all of Mike Shannon. This case was dumped on him in the last 2 weeks. He hasn't been involved in the case heretofore. He's got thousands and thousands of pages of discovery materials to review.
Ms. Hypes bonded out for $150,000. If she's convicted of the cruelty to juvenile charges, she could face up to 120 years in prison. And the state hasn't given up on filing new murder charges connected to the 2001 fire. But until the St. Tammany Parish grand jury date, and no idea when that will be, Ms. Hypes can return to her normal life and to her new husband. In Alexandria, Mike Magnoli reporting, News Channel 5.
Amanda Gutweiler-Hypes is now Amanda Gutweiler-Kelly. She and her new husband drove in together from West Virginia so she could surrender to the new charges, and we're told she is attending college trying to get a degree in business.
3 people